Hello and welcome to yet another video lesson from the Clarified Better Academy. In this video, I will talk about how to craft and deliver drinks so that your guests are happy with your speed of service and the taste of the drink. This video is part of the series of beverage service. If you have not seen the previous video, look for links to all the video in the description box below. In the last two videos, we discussed how to welcome guests to a bar and take their order. If you are a bartender or work in the bar, you must know the recipes to the drinks. Follow the recipe and method of preparation exactly as written. Also use the correct glassware for your drink. By making the drinks as per recipe and using the correct glassware, you will not have to over-dilute the drink to fill the glass. Once the drinks are ready, garnish the drinks correctly.
I am picking up the whiskey sour in the Cosmopolitan.
Offer the food menu and suggest some appetizer to the guest.
Here is your whiskey sour in Cosmopolitan. This is our food menu. May I recommend our garlic sautéed shrimps? It is one of the best snack in our bar.
So in order to craft and deliver drinks that a guest will remember, you need to follow a standard recipe and correct glassware. Guests expect consistency for their drinks. It should taste well and look the same every time they order it. That is a key step to taking care of your guest. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also do remember to visit academy.clarifiedbetter.com for more certificate course that you can learn for free. See you in the next video.